Hello everyone, this is Varaprasad and I am presenting you the daily current affairs which are useful for SSC, RRB and other government examinations. Okay, let us start with this. World Creativity and Innovation Day is observed globally on 21st April every year. This day is celebrated to raise awareness around the importance of creativity and innovation in problem solving with respect to advancing United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, also known as Global Goals. The main objective of the day is to encourage people to use new ideas, make new decisions, and to do creative thinking. Creativity is what makes the world go round. The United Nations on 27th April 2017 resolved to include World Creativity and Innovation Day on 21st April as a day of observance to raise importance among the people about the use of their creativity in problem solving for all issues that may be related to achieving the 2015 Sustainable Development Goals. Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde of Supreme Court recommended 3 new Chief Justices for Bombay, Meghalaya and Orissa High Courts. Deepankar Datta, who is a judge at Calcutta High Court, replaces Bhushan Dharmadhikari at Bombay High Court. Bishwanath Somadar, who is a judge at Allahabad High Court, replaces Mohammad Rafiq at Meghalaya High Court. And Mohammad Rafiq, who is a judge at Meghalaya High Court, replaces Sanju Panda at Orissa High Court. Government of India celebrates Civil Services Day on 21st April every year. On this day, civil servants rededicate themselves to the cause of citizen and renew their commitments to public service and excellence in work. The day was celebrated for the first time on 21st April 2006. Civil Services Day is celebrated on this day to commemorate the address of first Home Minister of Independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. During his address, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel referred to civil servants as the steel frame of India. Himachal Pradesh government has rolled out E-Sanjeevani OPD for free online medical consultation to sick people at their residence throughout the state. Hence, through this new initiative, Himachal Pradesh government will ensure the facility of health services to the people in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. To reap the benefits of E-Sanjeevani OPD, a person should have a computer or laptop or tablet along with webcam mic, speaker as well as internet connection. To provide the free online medical consultation, a team of 16 doctors of various medical colleges of the state will be available on all working days. This facility will be beneficial for sick people who are feeling uncomfortable to visit hospitals in view of COVID-19 pandemic. Ferrari's Charles Leclerc wins the Formula One Esports Chinese Virtual Grand Prix Championship. Due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the actual F1 races are not being held. In its place, Formula One has announced new F1 Esports Virtual Grand Prix series. The virtual races will run instead of each delayed Grand Prix. The Virtual Grand Prix series to use the official F1 2019 PC video game developed by Codemasters. BMW Group President and CEO Rudratej Singh has passed away. Singh has joined BMW Group India on 1st August 2019. Prior to that, he was serving as the Global President at Royal Enfield. The 46-year-old had also worked with Unilever in India and international markets for more than 16 years. Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman attends 5th annual meeting of Board of Governors of New Development Bank through video conference. During the meeting, Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman lauded the efforts made by the New Development Bank in establishing itself as a credible global financial institution, living up to its mandate successfully by taking more sustainable and inclusive measures. She also commented the efforts taken by the NDB as a response to combat the COVID-19 pandemic, such as financial assistance of about $5 billion to the BRICS countries and the emergency assistance of $1 billion to India to fight with COVID-19 outbreak. Border Roads Organization has constructed 430 feet long Bailey Daporijo Bridge over the Subansiri River in Arunachal Pradesh, Upper Subansiri district. The bridge was inaugurated by Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu over video conferencing. The new bridge will provide adequate movement of supplies for 451 villages and approximately 3,000 security force personnel deployed along the India-China border. The bridge replaced an older bridge in Daporijo which was constructed in 1992. A low-cost electrocatalyst has been developed with fish gills by the scientists at Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, an autonomous institute under the Department of Science and Technology. These low-cost electrocatalysts will be used for development of environmentally friendly energy conversion devices and storage technologies like fuel cell, biofuel cell and metal air battery. So it could be used as next generation non-precious carbon based electrocatalyst for energy conversion and storage applications in future. IIT Mandi develops high-speed magnetic RAM. This high-speed magnetic RAM is faster, energy efficient and stores more data in a smaller volume as compared to existing data storage technologies. This technology will have the capability to transform next generation computers, smartphones and other gadgets. In magnetic RAMs, data are represented as spin-off electrons. Magnetic RAMs uses spintronic technology and utilizes the spin-off electrons to transmit and process information, unlike normal electronic devices that are driven by electron charges. Former Fiji Prime Minister Laisenia Quares passes away. He served as the 6th Prime Minister of Fiji from 2000 to 2006. He was also the founder of Live-Ivanova Party. He was a civil servant before becoming a politician and Prime Minister of Fiji in 2000. He became the Prime Minister of Fiji after the removal of Mahindra Chaudhary's government. He was removed from the power in 2006. ICICI Bank launches voice banking services for their customers on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The service will enable the customers to bank with their voice and get answers to banking queries, check account balance and transactions, credit card due date and more. The company's new voice banking services uses an omni-channel bot called iPal to allow users to interact with virtual assistants on Alexa or Google Assistant powered devices. Bank customers not only ask their banking queries but also apply for a new product, locate their nearest branch or ATM, check for their account balance and new offers, recharge various services and transfer funds, etc. The last one is Kapil Dev Tripathi has been appointed as the Secretary to the President of India Ramnath Kovind. He will replace Sanjay Kothari, who was selected as the Chief Vigilance Commissioner in February. The appointment of Kapil Dev Tripathi has been approved by the Appointments Committee of Cabinet headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Kapil Dev Tripathi is 1980 batch retired IAS officer of Assam Meghalaya cadre. Prior to this, he was retired as the Secretary in Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas in June 2018. We are providing you the PDF of this entire session in the description box below. People who want to download the PDF can go to the description box and click on that link so that you can download the PDF. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Please give your valuable suggestions in the comment box.